Hello from the Wishmaster's Capes and Costumes. We have our second video that we wanted to share with you. I was commissioned to make a costume for a woodland fairy king, and it turned out so good that I really just wanted to share it with you. So what you have is three main pieces. You have an over tunic of brown suede, you have an under tunic of the sage colored micro suede, and then you also have the large cape with the jagged edge. So I made it with different colors of browns and greens because I really wanted it to reflect the forest like the character. Just a little bit of faux fur around the top to give it an accent. It's not so warm that it's going to be overbearing. The pieces, as far as the adornments, are created from claw shapes, so they're not heavy at all, although they may look like they are. Grommets down the front with a little bit of leather strapping, and one of the really neat things that we did is instead of sewing in a lot of the areas, we singed the edges so it had more of a natural look to it as opposed to a sewn look in a studio. You know, we wanted it to look more like it might have been created in the forest for the Forest King to wear. The contrasting colors are really neat. We have 3 separate browns. And then, as you can see, various shades of the different greens that kind of accent the piece. So it's a really unique piece, and I hope you like it. And we look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much.